So you might be in a situation where you're on iOS 26 and your applications just keep on crashing in this particular update. Now, the first thing to keep in mind, this is a brand new update, so this is going to be very, very buggy for a lot of people. And keep in mind, this is also a developer beta, so it's going to be even more buggy. So in this particular situation, the best thing to do is kind of just wait it out. Keep sticking with it, keep being on this version of software, but you have to remember that there's going to be a lot of bugs and a lot of issues that you might end up seeing, and it is going to be one of those things to keep in mind. Now, one way to fix these bugs immediately is to pretty much see if there's an update available for these particular, applications. So what you can try doing is you can try going into your particular settings application. You can go into software update, which is right here. And what I'd recommend doing is going through and try seeing if you can update your particular software. If there's a software update available, that might be one of the easiest ways to fix this problem. So just try going through updating your particular device that way, and that could be something you might end up trying to do, and that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try restarting your phone. So hold down the volume button and the power button at the same time, and go through and try seeing if you're able to basically slide the power off your device. Sometimes things like that might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's essentially the next thing I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, you might consider trying to go through and downgrade back to iOS 18. So go from iOS 26 down to iOS 18 and try seeing if you're able to do that. If you are, that might end up being the main way to go and fix this problem for you, and that's exactly what I recommend doing here. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.